Hi ladies, it's Ilene. Welcome back. Thanks for joining me again. So I'm here to have a project share. I've been working on some envelopes, supposedly policy envelopes style, that Anna from Serenity Creations made. I just recently started following her and I love her. I love her everything. Her creations and her this and that videos and her style of videos. So anyway, let's get to it. This is policy envelope that I created. It's a different shape from what she made, but I just took her example and made the size that I wanted. And I used the Palm Springs collection from Craftsmith, from Michaels. And I got this when it was $5, something like that, $5. And anyway, so here's the first envelope. And what I did was I took one of the 12 by 12 sheets. I took that and I cut it in half, make the 6 by 6. And I did a 6 by 6, and the first piece I made was this envelope. And this is about 5 1/4 by 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4 1/4. So yeah, I just took her DIY and put it to the dimensions that I wanted it. And I had some leftover cutouts that I did from my very first DIY challenge to make embellishments from Louisa, KSP by Louisa. So I used my cutouts, and this one is actually a cut apart from this collection. So I took the word paradise and turned it into a flag, stuck it on the front, used a little hook and loop attachment that I got from, I believe this was from Dollar Tree, but this was from a long time ago. So I made my envelope, and here are a few of the cut aparts from that same sheet, and I did that. And I have a few little cupcake rosettes. So I've got a few of that, and here are the rest of those cut aparts. And I'm just going to, and I cut this one down a lot because I wanted it to fit inside my envelope. So I took a bunch of these, and it fits perfect, like snug as a bug, but it gets in there. And then these fit in there also. And I don't know who will receive this, but I'm just following the lady's lead and making a bunch at a time, or a few at a time, and it'll be ready when I do get a pen pal. So I have a piece of leftover cardstock from the other 6 1/2, the other half of that 12 by 12 paper. And so this one I made it lengthwise. So this was the other half. So this is 6 inches, this is 6 inches, and this time I folded it tall, the length of the paper, and did another envelope and just shared a few of my straws that I've collected from Dollar Tree, from Walmart, from I don't know where else I got some. I think I even got them from a grocery store. Not sure which one, but I did. And then this is another scrap piece of paper from the 12 by 12 piece, and I just took that and make a little bow. It wasn't hard. I mean, I don't have die cuts, so everything I make is by hand. I make them all to the size that I want it, and I put a little bling on the bow. And these are the words from Dollar Tree, from the sticker pad that had all those words that everybody was hunting for. And then this is another one of the words from the cut apart page that I stuck in here, the leftovers. So I just took that and put it on there. This is one of the cut apart pieces, and stuck it on there. And then this little one was a scrap piece from this piece. So I made a little tiny one and put some washi on there to keep it closed. And what did I put in here? I put little bits and pieces of words, little cut aparts, and they're from odd collections. So a few cutouts from one of the other pads that I got. Swans, again from the Tropical Paradise collection. I just had a few leftover pieces from that challenge that Louisa had, so I put that in there. Little bathing suits. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. What are you gonna do with that? We'll see. A creative person will know. And this is swimsuit trunks. And these are some of the words from another collection, but I don't remember the name of the pad. This is from the Magical collection. I just punched that out. So just a little bit of leftovers, scraps. And I don't want to throw it away. Anyone in the craft world would know better. Don't throw your scraps away, because you can do so many things. And I've seen you ladies create so many amazing little bits and pieces. So once again, this is a little collection I put together, and they fit in this teeny tiny little envelope. It's perfect. Put some Dollar Tree washi tape on here. So pretty. That's the back. And this is from another paper pad collection. I don't remember who. And then I just put some of that Dollar Tree bling right down the body like everybody else. And then these cut aparts are just from another collection again, and God, you could do so many things with that. So these little 3 pieces I've made, just wanted to share, and I hope you all get creative with your scraps and pieces and bits and bobs. So I'll catch you on another video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye guys.